This short video will describe new features in TeslaCloud. We added possibility to save reports for history and even tables informations. In tiles, in text screen, you can open history dialog box, choose time period, and save export to PDF files. You can see reports is saved. And it's possible to save in CSV files if you want to edit reports. You can see it opens and works. Also, it's possible to save in graphical objects for screens, for example, open trends, open dialog box, and save file by clicking PDF button, or CSV if you want to save in CSV. Also, you can find that we added ticks for trends. It's also possible to save events table, history DB tables, and other information that's saved in DB in databases. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email below this video or in our forum.